Welcome to a quick and practical guide on how to make your Facebook stories public with the latest steps. If you've ever wondered how to share your moments with a wider audience, this video lays it out clearly and concisely. First, open the Facebook app on your device. At the top of the screen, you'll see three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Tap that to open the menu and access your account settings. From there, scroll down to find Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. This is where you control who can see what you post, including stories. Next, look for Audience and Visibility. Under this section, tap Stories. Here you'll manage who can view your story content and how it's shared with others. Tap Who can see your stories and select Custom. This option gives you the flexibility to tailor visibility beyond your basic friends list, letting you fine-tune who gets a glimpse of your daily updates. Now, you'll want to choose Public. Selecting Public makes your stories visible to anyone on or off Facebook who can view your profile, depending on their own privacy settings. After selecting Public, be sure to save your changes so they take effect. With Public enabled, your stories can reach a wider audience, which is great for creators, businesses, or anyone looking to share moments with more people. It also means you should stay mindful of what you post, since more eyes will be on your content. If you ever want to adjust again, you can repeat these steps to switch back to a more restrictive audience. Facebook's settings are designed to be flexible, so you can experiment with visibility as your preferences evolve. That's all there is to it. A few taps to expand your reach and keep control over who sees your stories. Thanks for watching.